In this video, we're going to be covering how to add a user to Environet Connect. So from the home screen, go ahead and select your Settings menu, then select your User menu. Here you'll see a list of all of the users that you currently have in the system. Up in the upper right-hand corner, we have a plus icon. This is our Add icon, so go ahead and click on the Add icon. From there, you'll be presented with our new User menu. You'll select your organization if you're a managed service provider. You'll put in the username of the individual, which that's going to correlate to their email. You'll provide their name, first name and last, and then you'll have to provide their permission role. We offer administrator permissions, operator permissions, and technician permissions. Once you've completed that, go ahead and select Save. You'll receive an icon that the changes have been saved successfully. You can click out of there, and now you'll see that we have added a user to the system.